Today I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process to maintain your RV entry door or baggage door lock so that it stays smooth, secure, and road ready. Let's get started. Start with a quick visual inspection. Replace any lock cylinders found with broken dust covers, as it will allow in moisture and dust. Open the door and look for any dirt, rust, or loose screws around the handle, deadbolt, strike bolt, and strike plate. RV vibration can loosen hardware over time, so grab a screwdriver and snug things up if needed. Use a soft brush or dry cloth to remove any dust and debris. Avoid spraying water or harsh cleaners directly into the keyhole. That can cause corrosion. Compressed air can be used to remove any dust and debris in hard-to-reach areas. Corrosion inside cylinders is the leading cause of lock issues. Next, use a product specifically made for use in locks that not only cleans, but also lubricates to prevent corrosion and ensure moving parts are clean and dust-free. Spray a good amount into the key slot. Stay away from products like WD-40 or dry graphite, since they attract dust and dirt. Have a towel ready to capture any debris that comes out of the cylinder. Use only genuine Global Link keys. Counterfeit keys commonly found on various websites have been found to bend and warp wafers inside the cylinders and should be avoided. Global Link keys have our distinctive G logo and are easily found at cpgbrands.com. Insert and remove your key several times. Next, insert the key and turn it back and forth several times so that the lubricant spreads evenly throughout the cylinder mechanism. For locks that are sticking or keys that don't insert smoothly or require jiggling to turn, avoid using excessive force with the key. Repeat the cleaning and lubricating process as described earlier. If issues persist, cylinder may require replacing. Each individual cylinder is replaceable. Close the door and test everything: handle, deadbolt, and keypad if you have one. You want smooth operation of the key with no excessive force to rotate. And that's it. Quick maintenance every 90 days that can save your warranty and keep you from getting locked out at your campsite.